started! We will start by drawing Butterfly's body. Now we will draw Butterfly's eyes and mouth. Then we will draw its 2 antennas. Let's draw some lines in the butterfly's body. It's time to draw Butterfly's wings. We will add some design to the wings to make them more beautiful. Now we will draw its legs. Now, to make our drawing more refreshing, we will draw 2 big flowers around our butterfly. Draw flower stems and leaves. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. First, we will color the butterfly's body. Yellow. Red. Brown. Now we will color its wings. Pink. Orange. Light green. Yellow. Next, we will color the flowers around the butterfly. Purple. Red. Blue. Orange. Now we will color the stems dark green. After stems, we will color the leaves light green. At last, we will draw some yellow strokes to fill the background. It's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.